Okay, student, today we will start our new chapter in history, that is National Movement First Phase, chapter 11. Okay, national movement means when you have get an idea to become an independent from the Britishers. First phase and second phase, two topic. This next chapter will be second phase. So in the first phase we will read about that the second half of the 19th century led to the political awakening among the people. Means after this 19th century you awake the power of your thinking that there must be a political awakening. Politically ways में you have to set the government. means पहले government नहीं होती थी, Britishers के rule we were following. So after 19th century you feel the political awakening. There must be a political parties. There will be a growth of national consequences and constantly a new kind of movement took place. So by this, आप conscious हो गए, you become conscious that there must be a political kingdom and new kind of movement must be there in the political parties which led Indian National Congress. So you have made the first political party, that is Indian Congress Party. It soon become a mass struggle for independence. Means this party will support a lot to make your India independent. बहुत support किया. So the way why you are become raised for nationalism, why the idea of nationalism came in your mind, in India's mind. So the stranding of the common national identity gave rise to organize a national movement in India. Means to give the identity or to give the power of nationalism. नेशनल आइडेंटिटी कि अपने इंडिया को कुछ पावर देनी है, अपनी इंडिया की एक अलग से पहचान बनानी है. द आइडिया ऑफ नेशनलिज्म विल अरोज. सो इट वाज national in character as it represented the inspiration of Indian people as whole. But we combine together and we make the India as a whole in one institution, in one community, and people start looking beyond their rationally boundaries. People किस boundary से belong करते, they will leave out that कि हम किस से belong करते हैं, हम किस area से belong करते हैं. They become combined and stand themselves. Thought of India in a single nation, and they thought that we are India in a single nation. Themselves are part of this nation. With this growing sense, the India will become a single country. India ने एक single country, एक sense of singleism आ गया. To make our country independent, unity came under the feeling of nationalism. Unity means India एक साथ होके unity होके एक साथ होके they will fight for nationalism. So let us. There will be the idea of nationalism. So let us read about the factors which influence the nationalism. Means what were the various factors which create the nationalism in your mind. So there are 4 factors which create the nationalism in the Indians' minds. That are first, discontent against British rule. You are very much disagree with the British rules. Because Britishers are exploited India. All section of India's society will suffer with the British rule. बहुत suffered थे हम Indians के. Especially the peasants, especially the farmers. They have to pay the very high tax to the Britishers, and the artisans was reigned by the foreign competition. So the business class थी that will face a great problem because foreign competition market will be there. The factory workers will receive a very low wages. So the British made no attempt to encourage agriculture and industries. And British ने कोई भी रूल्स रेगुलेशन ऐसे नहीं बनाया था जिसको एनकरेज किया जाए अपने इंडियंस की एग्रीकल्चर. So they treated India as a source of raw material and they obtained cheaply market absorb British good, and all the market will covered through the Britishers good because Britishers will making their foreign industries. So they captured all the market and Indians का कहीं भी roles नहीं बचा. Employment opportunities for the educated Indians were limited, and educated बंदे तो आपके high post में appoint नहीं किए जाते थे because in the high post Britishers were there. So employment opportunities also low for the Indians. India was made to pay for upkeep the British army and for the war that Britain fought. And Indians को कहाँ रखा जाता था? For the British army. They kept the Indians to the British army and they make the Indians. बहुत सारे लोग lumps of persons में मर जाते थे. So they take the Indians in the British army. The suddenly drain of Indians' wealth increased poverty in India. This will create poverty. गरीबी ले आए इंडिया में, है ना, poverty. Frequent families were an indication of this poverty. बहुत सारे families, बहुत सारे लोग Indians के will create under this poverty. The attitude of superiority adopted by the British was also disliked because Britishers think that they are superior against the British Indians. बहुत सुपीरियर है, तो वो भी आपको पसंद नहीं आया. And Britishers considered themselves as a superior race and Indians belong to the inferior race. They said that my caste is very superior and Indians will be very inferior. नीचे हैं Indians हमारे. So certain hospital and parks were also reserved for Europeans only, है ना. तो इससे भी disagree थे Indians. In trains, some compartments were reserved for white people and Indians were not allowed to travel in them. But at least Indians were not allowed. इंडियंस को अलाउड भी नहीं किया जाता था कि दे विल ट्रैवल इन दिस ट्रेन्स. ऑल दिस फैक्टर रिजल्टेड इन ग्रोइंग अपोजिशन टू ब्रिटिश रूल. दिस आर द फैक्टर्स विच अपोज द ब्रिटिश रूल. दिस आर द फैक्टर विच इंडियंस आर फेसिंग फॉर द ब्रिटिशर्स. सो उन्हें अपोज करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, है ना. दे स्टार्ट अपोजिंग द इंडिया ब्रिटिशर्स रूल्स. सो दे स्टार्टेड. नेक्स्टली वॉज द फर्स्ट रीजन. सेकेंड रीजन, पॉलिटिकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव इकोनॉमिक यूनिफिकेशन ऑफ द कंट्री, है ना. दैट विल बी देयर विच अरोज द आइडिया ऑफ नेशनलिज्म. इंडिया वॉज यूनिफाइड अंडर ब्रिटिश रूल. इंडिया को एक तरह से पूरा कैप्ट कर दिया गया अंडर द ब्रिटिश रूल. ब्रिटिश इंट्रोड्यूस अ यूनिफॉर्म सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट थ्रू आउट द कंट्री. ब्रिटिश हैज इंट्रोड्यूस वन सिस्टम यूनिफॉर्म, सबके साथ एक जैसा काम करेंगे. बट दिस लॉ इन थ्योरी ओनली, दे विल नॉट अप्लाइड दिस लॉ यूनिफॉर्मली. इकोनॉमिक लाइफ ऑफ इंडिया इज वेरी पुअर. दे वर इंटररिलेटेड, दे वर डिपेंडेंट ऑन द ब्रिटिशर्स ओनली, इंडस्ट्रीज ओनली. People from all part of countries worked in these industries. By working traveler together, caste, community, religious feeling began to be weaker. They ही जो सब countries work करते थे, they becomes a weaker countries. So they make the people feels weakened or sufferer, है ना. People's Indians के start कर दिए थे कि they are suffering from the British rule. They started feeling that they are suffering from the British rule. So the anti-British feeling was major factor that contribute. This anti-British feeling against the Britishers, this arose the main reason of nationalism. Third reason is spread of modern education, है ना. मॉडर्न एजुकेशन की जो स्प्रेड हुई थी, मॉडर्न एजुकेशन मीन्स यू हैव टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश ओनली, वेस्टर्न एजुकेशन. So this will also arose the one idea of nationalism. Spread of modern education is also helped in the raise of nationalism feelings, and the British had introduced the modern Western education to prepare. So this rose, the British has introduced modern Western ideas. This prepares some Indians at a low pace. They will place the Indian person in the low post only because they were not educated. Indians were not educated, so they place the Indians in the low post. The British also believed that if Indians were exposed to Western thoughts and ideas, they would become the supporter. और Britishers ने ये भी सोचा था कि Indians को अगर हम थोड़ा बहुत educate कर देंगे, they will become the supporter of British rules. But it was not happened, है ना. So it was not happened. Nextly, the Indians would be dependent on the employment of the Britishers only. The Indians will fully be dependent on the Britishers' employment, and they would become loyal to them. They will become loyal to them. They will become loyal means Indians सोचा था, Britishers ने सोचा था कि Indians को पढ़ाएंगे लिखाएंगे नहीं या थोड़ा सा एजुकेट करेंगे. They will follow their rules or regulation, but it is not done so. Things, however, did not turn out as British as accepted. British ने जैसा सोचा था वैसा नहीं हुआ. Exposure to British ideas made in peoples more conscious of their rights. Peoples were become more conscious about their rights. They were impressed by the ideas of freedom and equality popularized by the American and France Revolution. Peoples were mainly thinks that they were not treating equal in the British rule. France Revolution follow करना पड़ेगा. So this criticized the government of Indians. Indians की government बहुत criticize होने लगी, नीचे अपने आप को देखने लगी because they have to follow the British rule. So they become the criticize the Indians government and deny the basic human rights of Indians. So this was the reason of the nationalism. The English language acted as unifying factor because people from different part of India speaking different language. Unification means आपको Indians के बंदे समझ भी नहीं पाते थे Britishers की बात because Indians persons will following from the different caste, है ना. They will speak out different languages. They were not easily communicated with one another through the common media. So educated Indians required a democratic and nationalist outlook, है ना. तो जो educated Indians होते थे उनको नेशनल आउटलुक के लिए, नेशनल थियोरी के लिए उनको एजुकेट. they will not able to communicate with each other because they will not know the common language. So this will feel the nationalism. Fourth, role of press. Means fourth reason of nationalism is the press, media. The Indian press played an extremely important role in strengthening the nationalism consciousness. है ना. consciousness means आपको nationalism लाने के लिए, स्ट्रेंथन करने के लिए रोल, प्रेस का रोल भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल किया था. क्या प्ले किया था रोल? द न्यूज़पेपर पीरियड Begg highlighted the anti-Indian policies to the British government. Means by reading the newspaper we know the anti-Indian policies, means Indians के अपोजिशन में Britishers ने क्या क्या policies बनाई है, we have able to learn about that. So ask the people to unite and work a common cause. The Indians were totally disagree by these rules. So both the English and the vernacular plays become a medium to mobilize the public opinion, create a feeling of national bonding. So Britishers के बारे में पढ़ के न्यूज़पेपर में कि वो हमको कितना दबा रहे हैं. So हम vernacular plays means जो भी प्लेस का नेम है तो न्यूज़पेपर. So by through this the feeling of nationalism कि नहीं, they will be against us, the feeling of public opinion will create it. So the government needed to suppress the feeling of nationalism. वो चाहते थे कि हम अपनी फीलिंग्स को, इंडियंस की फीलिंग्स को दबा दें. पार्टिज़म बैन किया, लड़ाई झगड़ा कराया, फिर पुलिस वालों को लगाया, बैन न्यूज़पेपर कर दिया, बुक्स को बैन कर दिया. This attempt but however failed. But the Britishers attempt this was failed out, है ना, this was failed out. So आपके जो बुक्स न्यूज़पेपर सेल आउट नहीं किया जाने लगा आपके पर्सन्स को, इंडियंस को. सो मैनी वर्कर्स और स्कॉलर्स लाइक बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी, रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर, सुब्रमण्यम भारती, दिस आर द हरीश चंद्रा, these are the other important leaders which arose the ideas of nationalism in India. So these are the persons who helps us to become to arose the feeling of nationalism, है ना. इनने ही सपोर्ट किया था इंडियंस को फ्रीडम दिलाने के लिए. So these are the various 4 reasons by which the idea of nationalism will came in your mind. So there will be a nationalism concept through this leader and this finding, and their nationalist literature in the form of fictitious. So the fictitious essay and patriotic poetry develop self-consciousness against the Indians, है ना. Confidence ले आया इंडियंस में, इंडियंस को फाइट करने के, confidence in masses of Indians. They will create the masses. जब बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी create the assembly and tell the Indians that they have the feeling of nationalism. Okay.